From my area beating wife. He said women know they hear word. Ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to this beautiful show. We are here to have fun. My name is Ifeanyi Chukwu, but they call me abadi.com. Big man. I like to do big man table. One of my colleagues said no matter how Nigeria hard rich, he get business where Igbo man no fit do. Business like selling of suya. Igbo man no fit sell suya. But I reason I'm ask my neighbor, so Ifeanyi, why Igbo men they sell suya? Now my neighbor said, nah, any business if man do get bruise or test here before go to happy again now area. They know they test Igbo man goods. That's why if they import goods, then they write a non-tested product. You buy and carry and go as if you work your luck. If you don't work, you find mechanic, they know they test that. You get work where Igbo man no fit do. I'm not going to show you be a conductor. You dey mad. Some people they do conductor and the ones who don't lost for Lagos. Conductor is meant for Yoruba people. If you see where Igbo man they do conductor, ask them sit down for now. That for no way they talk. If you see where Igbo man they do conductor, you go no say no be our calling. Igbo man go dey load bus, what you go dey hear now? Say you dey tawole my two wo no chodi. That's how we pan now. E no sweet, no be our work. Go see where Yoruba boy they do conductor. You go no say na in bed right. Every bus stop they get different calling. You get the bus stop where you go, what you gonna hear now? Select chawole my two wo no so. Select chawole my two wo no so. They go to sweat for face, no neck, they go to clean. Select chawole my two wo no so. You got another bus stop where you go, what you gonna hear now? I go The ones where they confuse me now for Yanosola, they always see them every afternoon. I don't know where they go. They go jump back motor. What you gonna hear now? People will not take for Lagos go enter because they know where motor they go. You will just come Lagos go start. Motor where you they wait for 20 minutes you never see. What did they do? They pay me bus. Any bus stop where you tell the conductor what you go here now? Wallet. I said the load bus, so what you go here now? Wallet. Wallet. I said this motor no they go the same place. Now say make I test the guy, man make sure say the guy they okay. Now tell him no we wallet 200 naira any bus stop.
You know one thing I like about Bet Niger? Now devil get them. Now people don't know. I'll give you two instances where you go tell us that devil get Bet Niger. Number one, if you enter Bet Niger shop, go book game. That laptop where they tell they book game. Nobody they help you. Now you they book by yourself. Nobody there with you. As you they book, you they make math. Man, you they go play 2.5. Nobody tell you anything. No, now you just they talk with your own math. When you don't book finish, you call carry the booking code, give them. They will copy them. Once you give them money, collect ticket, your eye go clear. Now they say you go to shout. You just say, man, you go do this 2.5. Now you use your hand, put up. But that one even good. You will play, carry the ticket, go ask. The one who I hate now, that one they stay for front of television, they beg cartoon. Just a beg. Hey, oh shit. And for Bet Niger, they know they tell sorry because nobody let your ticket spoil. As if they show people ticket, then they show you ticket. Hi, oh, Augustine, imagine. Only Chelsea one go 200,000. You go to expect me to sympathize with you. What you go here now? You're all good now. See my own now 300,000. Who want tell who? Sorry. When you go no say virtual soccer for Bet Niger na disease. If you dey addicted to that thing, you get where they go shop you rich. You will reach house, locked up, naked. Use one hand hold your prick. Use another hand hold olive oil. You can call your name. I, Ifeanyi Chukwu, swear today, if I ever play this CD again, make my baba die. See, now that day you go know say that devil get Bet Niger. Man, so yeah, you go tell us say that devil get Bet Niger. As you swear, that's where finish. For your mind, you don't be play bet again. As you swear, that's where finish. That evening,